The Convert Entities tool is a very useful tool which helps copy geometry within a part or assembly. The Convert Entities tool is located near the middle of the command bar. One way to use the Convert Entities tool is to select the geometry you want to convert, such as the circular profile, and then press Convert Entities, and it will automatically convert. Another way is to select the Convert Entities tool first. And you can view a few options, the most useful of which is the Select All Inner Loops, where you can select a face and press this and then check, and it'll select all of the inner loops in that face and convert them. The Offset Entities tool is similar to the Convert Entities tool in that you have to select the geometry you want to offset, but instead of directly placing this geometry on the exact location of the copied geometry, you are changing its size or offsetting a line. To use this tool, you can first select your geometry and then select the tool, or you can select the tool and then the geometry. As you can see, this tool has many more options than Convert Entities. First, to start off, you could change the parameter to increase the offset. Then there is Reverse, which will change the direction of the offset. And then there's a few options for bidirectional, which will basically go in each direction. And then there is also an option for Align, which is Cap Ends, which will basically cap the ends of the offset geometry. You could choose either arcs or lines. And if you go bidirectional, it will change the cap to cap between the two offset geometries. You can also change the base geometry to become a construction geometry after the part is made, or the line is made, or the offset. Or you could change it for the offset geometry to become construction geometry once you make the offset. The text tool is a very useful tool if you don't want to manually draw letters on a part. To use the sketch tool, it is located in the command bar next to the ellipse and above the point element. In the menu, you can select reference geometry for your text, such as a line or a curve. Or if you don't select one of these, after you click check mark, you can dimension the position of the text using the point at the bottom left of the text. To get back into the text after you've finished editing it, if you want to edit it again, all you have to do is double click the text element and it'll bring back up the menu. Below where you type your text, there's this link to property option, or you can link it to a property of your document or your part. There's also common text editor options such as bold, italicize, or rotate. With rotate, you can change the angle at which it's rotated within these angle brackets here. Below these are common text editor placement of the text. So if you have a line, it will place it based off of like left, middle, or right, or spread out here to fill the line. Also below this you can flip the side that the text is written on. You can also flip the direction of the text. After this, you can uncheck this Use Document Font to change the spacing, or this one's the width of the text, and this is the spacing of the text. You can also select the Font button and choose tons of options for your font.